Hey, Liana from Everyday Crystal Magic here, and today I want to talk about crystals that makes you feel better. Remember when you were a kid, and hopefully you still do today, you had your favorite things, favorite outfit, toy, TV show, things like that. And why was that? Because those things made you feel happy. It was an instant pick-me-up, feel better kind of deal. You can feel the same with crystals. Crystals that convey happiness and joy and fun just by looking at them or holding them in your hands. They have the ability to put you in a better mood. Now remember something, this is not a meditation or an intense exercise. It's just a feeling, a vibe. Go with it. Go through your crystals and get the feeling. So here are my top 5 crystals to make you feel better, no order of preference. Number 1 is Carnelian. The vibrancy of the color only speaks of fun, vitality, creativity, that color of hard candy, almost tasty like a popsicle in summer. It's inviting and energizing. This crystal is let's do things, let's be sexy. Check out my blog post about Carnelian. I'll add the link below. Number 2, Peridot. To me, this stone is happiness and pure joy. That shade of green speaks of new things, speaks of blooming, thriving. It's also a crystal of abundance and a heart chakra crystal. Keeps the heart open and happy. And if you want to manifest prosperity, this is a crystal that will bring it to you by following your true calling, your heart's desire. I use this crystal in some abundance and prosperity grids to connect energy lines. You might ask, why not all grids? Well, fair enough, but remember, it's about what we want to accomplish with the grid. If you want to attract based on doing what you love and have fun with, this is the one. If you don't know exactly what that is, we use other types of crystals to open paths and bring in opportunities like aventuring. Number 3, lemon quartz. And let me clarify something about this crystal. It can be a naturally occurring form of citrine or heat-treated quartz. This crystal is about creativity, optimism, insight, and better perspective on things. Those are the energies of lemon quartz. It's happy and light-hearted. It also brings clarity and has the amplifier effect of quartz. Number 4, Dalmatian Jasper. For the inner child and when you feel hopeless, the nurturing energy of Jasper works at your pace and gently pulls you out of that not-so-good place and fills you up with hope and expectation. Number 5, Smoky Quartz. There is some elegance in the smoky brown shades of this crystal that just by looking at it, you sort of get lost in its depth. Makes you think of elegant salons and jazz music. And let me digress a little bit and say crystals convey images that makes you go, wait, where did that came from? It is worth exploring. And perhaps it's the reason why it's one of my pick-me-up crystals. It draws you into making you forget what is bothering you. The same happens if you feel the urge to use it for scrying. Now, moods aside, this master healer takes care of your physical health and stamina. And to me, it's how you emerge from the smoky quartz experience. Before I leave this part, I don't want to move on without saying any crystal of your favorite color. And why? Same reason you have favorite things when you were a kid or now. Makes you happy by looking at it. Now, how to use this crystal? Very easy. My top choices are always going to be jewelry and in a medicine bag to carry with you and switch them around as needed. If you feel there is something deeper that is affecting your mood or your energy, you might want to take it a step further and work with emotion releases and other healing modalities. Question: which crystal makes you happy? How did you find out? Did it make you feel better, look better, or did it give you a surge of energy? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic. Hey guys, Everyday Crystal Magic School is now open. Sign up for free mini courses and to get updates on new offerings at everyday-crystal-magic.teachable.com.